really good actors next to me, as you saw, Muslim and Tanya. And we began from the idea that maybe we feel shy to speak in another language. Maybe sometimes we feel shy to speak in our own language if we are not sure about what to say, or if you are in front of a group of strangers. And I think it's important to draw attention on this and to be able to show people that they can express themselves freely if they can understand each other pretty well. Just easily. And that's it. I spoke too much. Come on. Let's.
We wanted to mix the images with a voiceover, not to speak in front of the camera, the text not in front of the camera, but mixing in the laptop in an editing program.
Yes.
Okay? To become a little bit complex. And it's filmed in a big quality, so that it's a lag.
That's why, yes.
That's why, because the stick doesn't
Have enough power.
has not enough power.
Emin Hocam, what do you think about Romanian moves?
I think they are very professional. The filmmaking group is. I thought that. Yeah, she's a professional filmmaking person. So I appreciate this group very well. Excellent. That's all.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Mr. Ayhan, what do you think of about actors, actresses?
Actors. I think there are some points to be added. It should be developed more. As a beginner, if it is a beginner level, it's okay. But as we know, practice makes perfect. I believe that they'll be much and much better than this. But they're, of course, very well for me. Congratulations. I appreciate them. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Mr. Zept, what do you think about Romanian moves?
Well, I think based on the movie or the story, it's all about trying to bring together the purpose of the unity stream, and also trying to now look at what has been put in together into a written or theory form in terms of a movie. Not everybody will understand English, and because of the acting and because of the pictures, people will understand. Because if you look at your picture or movement with Tanya, that shows two different people working together, and coming to do something together. And also, if you look at Ioana's presentation, everybody will be scared for the first time doing what you're not used to, either speaking in language you don't know or you don't understand English. So I don't know how many of us here know about stage fright. For you to speak in an audience for the first time, you get so devastated and all the rest of it. So that has actually given her the confidence and encouragement to be what she is today, because I think that's where the journey began. When you look at it, everything boils down on land. Even the workers, the construction workers who were out there, for them to come, I spoke with them yesterday, and they don't understand English, I don't understand Turkish. So we were able to communicate. They showed me who is their leader, who controls what, who does what, and all the rest of it. So, and I asked them, you're working in this condition, what do you get? They say I should talk to the leader. They were pointing at them to increase their wage and all the rest of it. But this is all a process of learning. It doesn't matter if you speak, you talk or whatever. But pictorial, sign language and everything, contribute to whatever we learn.
Thank you. Thank you very much.